Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, I want to let you know that I have changed my channel name from Xamarin UI Design to with my name. So I have changed this channel name as Kirti Yadav. Okay, so please, if you want to search for my videos, then uh, go to the channel as Kirti Yadav. Okay. Now, as you know, I have created many UIs for the Xamarin. So there are a lot of video for the Xamarin UI. So I hope you have learned many things from this video. So I have started new UI design for the Flutter. Okay. So from now onwards, we will learn UI design by using Flutter. Okay, so for installations and all this thing, you can prefer any video from the YouTube, from any channel. They have provided many step by step how to install this uh, Flutter in your system. So so I'm not creating video for this. I will create a video for only how to design UI in the Flutter. Okay, and if I will also give you some tips in the videos. Okay, so first of all, I'm using Android Studio for creating app in Flutter, but you can also use Visual Studio. Only ID is different, but you can write same code. It will give same result. Okay, so only ID is different. You can use Visual Studio or Android Studio. Okay, whatever you prefer. Now, whenever you open the page, whenever you create a project, you will get this type of tree. Okay, so in this you will get this main dot dart. Okay, this is a main file. Okay, so means you can say it is a startup file, and I have created login UI design uh, in this main dot dart file. So you can create a new page. Okay, now this is a method return dot scaffold. In that a body is given. So from body you have to write all this design. Okay. So in that body you can only write design, not the logic. Okay. Logic can be written, but in the not separately. If you can write in the UI design only if you want to write a logic. Okay, so first of all, I will show you the UI. If you don't have emulator or Android version, so it's okay. You can select any of these. I am selecting Chrome. Okay, this is for debug. If you want to debug the code, or this is you can run the file directly from here. You can stop the project. Okay, it will take some time to start the Chrome, start the app. So wait till okay, then I will explain all the thing. I hope you have some of experience in the Flutter. So Flutter is very easy. Just you have to learn this syntax, okay? And you have you can design all those things. So main thing is that you should learn syntax. If you have the syntax logic, you can create anything. if you're not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel and click on the bell button, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video. This is started. uh, it is in progress. Okay, it is very simple your design, not very uh, high lookout, and it is very simple because this is my first video. So I'm start with the simple. Okay, as you know, this is a Chrome, it will take full space. If you want to see in mobile, so click on inspect. This window will open. It will open here or here down. Okay, so select on this. Okay, click on this. This is toggle device toolbar or control shift M. Okay, so when you will click on this, this will open. Okay, so what you have to do, you can select any device you want to test it. Okay, means for the UI design, not for the logic purpose, because logic in all the platform will be same. So you can select any device you will prefer. It will take a dimension as per the device. Okay, and do not close this. If you close this, it will lose all the configuration. So go to notification and click on this. Click on this. Okay, you can drop it. Okay, so you can see here design here. Okay, so in this way you can, if you don't have emulator or you don't have device, you can use this. And as you know, Flutter is for Windows mobile and web too, so uh, it is supporting the Chrome. Okay, let's move to the design coding. So first of all, first of all, I have taken a padding. Okay, and padding is left 10. Okay, left 10, so it is taken a padding here. Right 120, left and right and bottom as a 10. Okay, and in the padding you have to add a child has a column. Okay, column, in I have set a main axis is start and cross axis as start. Okay, if I do this, the design uh, will be not good, so you have to use this line. Okay, so it will take this as a right side. Okay, and the in the column has a children. Okay, children has a I have taken a center for this login form, so I want to show in the center. So uh, in center the child has a text. Okay, text having a login form, and in that you can show a style by using a style attribute. In that you have to pass a property, set property, but in the text style uh, method. Okay, and the after that I have given a padding for this login form and label as a 100. Okay, and the if you want only padding only on particular site, then you can select only. Okay, if you want all the time, then you can have all here. Okay, so you have to pass only value here, don't have to pass on left side. Okay, and this padding also have a child. And if you don't I'm giving you tip that first write this logic. Okay. Okay, I have removed the padding. Okay, so what you have to do, uh, something is getting for example you have to write only this. What you will do, you have to wrap with padding, so you don't have to write all this code. Okay, so click alter. Okay, perfect. Now what I have to do, alter, enter, click on this text, alter, enter, and this padding. Okay, so it will write it will write the code automatically by padding for this text. Okay, so you don't have to write padding for all the column. First you put a control, then wrap it with the padding. Okay, for wrapping use a shortcut alter plus enter. Mm, what was it? Actually forgot. Now this is a text file, uh, text field for the username. This is a text field, and padding for the again for this label, then text field. Okay, for this if you want to show a star, so you have to use a obscuring character star, then obscuring text is equal to true, then it will convert the text into star. Okay, now I have used, you have noticed that I have used this controller as a text username. Okay, for because I want to use this text value in the logic or for further use. So I am not directly using a text field. I am using a controller. So you have to create controller above the scaffold, above this scaffold. So I have created two controllers. Okay, one for username and one for the tech password. Now button. Okay, so first of all what you will do, first of all you will write evaluated button. Okay, first you have to write this. Okay, then wrap it with the padding. Okay, hope you understand that you don't have to write a padding by manually. It's all up to you. If you don't want to write manually, you can write control first here, then you can wrap it with the padding. Okay, so in this way you can create a UI design. Another, whenever I click on this uh, login button, I have created some logic here. This I have created method on button press. Okay, so in evaluated button on press, you have to call this on button. Okay, if you don't have any method or any logic, you don't want to keep any logic, so just write this and okay, you don't, if you don't want to write any, don't want to call any logic on the button press, so you can use a bracket. So on this button you have to use a Dart language. Okay, this Flutter support Dart language. So on button press, I have set a logic that if um, to check that it is empty or not. Okay, if both is empty, it will show a pop-up. Okay, if anyone is empty, it will show also pop-up. If both are not empty, then it will show pop-up that username is whatever the user has input. Okay, so we will check this logic. First of all, you will check if it is empty or not. Okay, then you will use a show dialog method. In this you have to pass a context. Just write this. Okay, you have to write only this. Okay, and here is no logic. You have to pass this context colon context builder colon context, then write a uh, curly bracket. You have to return a container in which it has a alert box. Okay, alert dialog. So you can provide a title. Okay, so this is a title. Then you will pass a content username. This is a content. Then button. Okay, okay. So on button press, I have written navigator dot pop context. Means it is also one type of page. It is opening one type of page in a dialog form. So you have to pop this page. So you have to use a navigator dot pop. So whenever I click on it, it will hide. It will get pop uh, this dialog box. Okay, and whatever you have to uh, provide text for the button, you can provide in this way. Else, same dialog box, you can write logic here. Okay, you can pass the what should show the error to the user. Okay, so I hope you understand this video, and please share your uh, feedback in the comment box, and I will upload this code in same blog. Okay, I will share this link in the description section. Okay, till I will come with another video with new UI design in the Flutter. So we will start learning Flutter from now. Thank you. Bye bye.